In today's video, I will walk you through how to create multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs. Before adding multiple voices, make sure your text-to-speech project is already prepared. Once your project is ready, you can begin adding different speakers to your dialogue. As you're working on your text-to-speech prompt, look for the option labeled Add Speaker. This is the feature you'll use whenever you want another voice to appear in your project. Click Add Speaker to introduce another speaker into your dialogue. This allows you to assign a different voice to a specific part of your script, instead of having the entire project read by a single voice. After adding the new speaker, decide where you want that voice to begin speaking within your dialogue. Place the additional speaker wherever it fits naturally in your script, so each section is assigned to the correct voice. Once you've added another speaker, the next step is to change the voice. Select a different voice from the ElevenLabs voice library so it sounds like a separate speaker. The available voices include different ages, accents, and speaking styles, allowing you to choose the one that best matches the role you want for that part of the dialogue. Repeat this process whenever you want to introduce another speaker. Each time, click Add Speaker, choose where that speaker should begin, and then select a different voice from the voice library. After you've assigned all of your speakers and selected the voices you want to use, you're ready to enter your script. Type your dialogue into the text field just as you normally would. You don't need to use a different workflow for multiple speakers. Simply enter the dialogue while keeping each section assigned to the correct speaker you added earlier. When your script is complete, each portion of the dialogue will be read using the voice assigned to that speaker. This creates a conversation with multiple voices instead of a single narrator reading the entire script. If you'd like to make changes before generating the final result, you can go back and adjust the speaker assignments or choose different voices until you're satisfied with how everything is set up. Once you've finished configuring the speakers and entering your dialogue, your multi-voice project is ready to generate using the voices you've selected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.